In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage Hostinger notifications so you can control which alerts you receive and how you receive them. If you use Hostinger for hosting, domains, or website management, you've probably noticed that the platform sends different types of notifications, such as account alerts, billing reminders, security updates, and system messages. Sometimes these notifications can come through multiple channels, like email, SMS, or even WhatsApp, and if everything is turned on, it can quickly become overwhelming. The good news is that Hostinger gives you full control over these alerts, so you can choose exactly what you want to receive and which methods you prefer. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to access your notification settings and customize them in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then sign in using the email address and password associated with your Hostinger account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger hPanel dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your hosting, domains, websites, emails, and account settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon there. This icon usually displays your account avatar or the first letter of your account name. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several important account options, such as profile settings, billing information, and notification controls. From the drop-down menu, find and click on the option called Notification Settings. This will open the section where Hostinger allows you to manage all the notifications connected to your account. Inside this page, you will see a list of different notification categories. These can include things like billing notifications, service updates, security alerts, promotional messages, and other account-related updates. Next to each notification type, you'll see different delivery methods. Hostinger typically allows notifications through email, SMS, and sometimes WhatsApp, depending on your account and region. Each method will usually have a checkbox or toggle next to it. These checkboxes let you decide exactly how you want to receive each notification. For example, if you want to receive billing reminders only by email, you can leave the email option checked and disable the SMS or WhatsApp options. If you prefer to get urgent alerts on your phone, you might enable SMS notifications for security or account warnings. And if there are certain notifications you don't want at all, you can simply uncheck all the methods for that specific notification type. This flexibility is very useful because it allows you to reduce unnecessary alerts while still keeping the important ones active. Many users like to keep security alerts and billing notifications turned on while disabling promotional or less critical updates. After adjusting the checkboxes according to your preferences, Hostinger usually saves the changes automatically or provides a save button depending on the interface version. Once saved, your new notification preferences will immediately apply to your account. A quick tip here is to review these settings occasionally, especially if you add new services or domains to your account. Making sure the right notifications are enabled helps you stay informed about renewals, security warnings, and important system messages. And that's it. That's how you manage Hostinger notifications and control exactly how your alerts are delivered. As you can see, the process only takes a minute and gives you much better control over your account communication. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Hostinger and website management tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.